Good morning, ladies and gents. Marlon here, South Plus, and Remy here. Today we are going to do a roof wash in this roof. I'll show you how it is. It's a clay tile, old roof, and they're loving care. Some of them has a mold already. You can see here the dark one is moldy. Right there. All the way through there. Yep, so this is the client of mine before that you clean a gutter before, so what we have to do is finally going to do this roof now. So you can see here some more black, very black. I mean, not that very black. On the top there, you see there. So I think it's gonna be like gray color when it's clean. So this right here. As you can see here. So homeowners has been clean for about a couple of years now. You can see this neighbor roof are like that, because it's gonna be look like that when it's clean here. So that's what we're doing right now. All the way through there. And here. Yep, all the way through there. Yep, and we're past 9 o'clock. It means the sun's already trying to pounding us. So we are about we have to go ahead and start doing this now before it rain again. So, alright guys, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a good blessed day.